Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a LibertyX Bitcoin ATM. First, you'll need to find a convenient location. Use the LibertyX mobile app or their website to locate ATMs near you. It's important to confirm that the specific ATM supports Bitcoin purchases. Also, be aware that daily purchase limits can vary significantly by location, so check these details before heading out to ensure a smooth transaction. Before visiting the ATM, take a few moments to prepare. You'll need to create a LibertyX account and complete any required identity verification steps. This helps ensure your transactions are secure. Also, have your Bitcoin wallet address readily available, either as a QR code or written down. Finally, familiarize yourself with the transaction fees, which are clearly displayed so you know exactly what to expect. Once at the LibertyX ATM, the process is straightforward. Select the Buy Bitcoin option on the screen. You will then enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Next, the ATM will prompt you to provide your Bitcoin wallet address. You can usually scan a QR code from your wallet app or manually type in the address. Finally, insert your cash into the machine to finalize the transaction. After inserting your cash, carefully review the transaction details displayed on the ATM screen to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, the ATM will process your request. You can typically expect your purchased Bitcoin to arrive in your digital wallet within a few minutes, though network congestion can sometimes cause slight delays. If you encounter any issues or have questions, LibertyX customer support is available to assist you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.